Let's start with the home page, which is the main entry point of the Artius Kiosk system. This is the default version of the home page, displayed in English. By clicking this language switch button, users can easily switch between Malay and English. After users clicking Get Started button, the system will direct users to the main navigation page. This is the Malay version of our main navigation page. If a user accidentally clicks on a non-functional area or an incorrect element, an error message appears. Click on the Click for More Details button to view the details of each section. This About Us page displays important details about the clinic, such as team photos, vision and mission statements, and video introduction. Users can watch and stop the video by click on the video. Users can click on the arrow to back to the previous page. Now we move on to the Our Team section. This section shows about the profile for each dentist. This is the Malay version of Our Team page. Users can move on to the dentist's details, profile by clicking on the dentist's picture, or clicking on the See More. This will show some important information like their qualification, important achievements, and years of experience, and users can always change the language by click on the Language Switch button. Click on the Click for More Details button. The system will direct the users to the Our Service page. This is the Malay version of Our Service page. Users can view further information by clicking on the service picture. This page will show the important information, like the treatment process video, approximate cost estimate, and an overview of the treatment. Users can always change the language by click on the language switch. This arrow will always navigate users to the previous page. This is our Business Hours page, and it also allows users to switch between English and Malay. Now we move on to the last section, which is Quiz. Click on the Click to Start button. Then the system will direct users to the quiz page. Click on Get Started button to start the quiz. If users drag and drop the wrong answer, the system will pop out an error message along with a sound effect. Then users can click Try Again button to choose the answer again. If users drag and drop the correct answer into the box, the system will also pop out a confirmation message along with a sound effect. Then users can proceed to the next question by clicking on the Next button. Then you can click on Quit button to exit the quiz. Click on the arrow to go back to the previous page. As you can see, our system also provides Malay version for quiz part.